ticks?
Big birds are with ticks.
You're right.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Ticks means is a big bird.
Big bird. A big bird is like
Tick.
no, like
A tick.
biggest bird is like an owl.
That's not owl. That's
Owl.
little. That's a tick.
That's a little. But the hawk is the biggest bird. The hawk.
The hawk is not the biggest bird. The tick.
No, that's the hawk. Look it up on Google. The biggest bird is a hawk.
A hawk is little.
A hawk is big.
I don't know. We keep the hawk big.
Keep what?
Hi YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe.